Well, hello everyone. Good evening. It is Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy, coming to you live right here, right now, as things are taking place. That's right. And we just finished up our Turrent key machine mount. They made it out of press board, probably around back in the 40s or 50s, whenever this machine was made. 50, so you're looking at 70 years old. Well, the press board wore out and it was shot. Actually, when I received it, it actually punched through the press board and the machine was just basically just hanging there. So what we did, we took it all apart. We've made ourselves our own mount here. Used 3/4 inch plywood, screwed it all the way around there. We put our stoppers under there to raise it up, and then we went ahead, mounted the motor, drilled a hole here, drilled a hole back here, mounted 2 holes here, and we used wood nuts. That's our wood nuts that actually embed themselves in there so that you can just screw it right down, and it's all done and ready to go. So there you have it. This one here was still in good shape, so I didn't decide to do anything with that one. That one's nice and sturdy. This one was shot, so we went ahead and redid it. Machine's all cleaned, it's polished, it's ready to go, it's ready to work. There it is, Mr. Sunshine, with their side milling attachment here. This loosens up, this raises and lowers. It's all shined throughout the entire unit here. So there you have it, Mr. Sunshine. Locksmith Eddy has done it again with the Ilco. This is the Ilco model of the Kyle number 6 Turrent machine, and it's working beautiful. Yeah, the mount, this heavy duty, you can hear it's solid, so we don't have to worry about any more issues probably for another 100 years as far as that's concerned. So there you have it, Mr. Sunshine, Locksmith Eddy, coming to you live. It's been a long day today. I drove a couple 100 miles, but we got it all done. All right, pick up that phone, 561-693-8636, live in sunny South Florida.